Received my Girodiscs for my 2019 Corvette Grand Sport today. Replacing the front rotors. Got them from K&S Brakes. They were awesome to work with. Packaging looks good. Came 2 boxes. This was the outside box, and then this inside box. They're my old rotors that I'm replacing, OEMs. Got several track days out of them, so it's not too bad. But it's time to do it. Open them up here, and there they go. They're looking good. I also needed rears, but I had to go to one of their competitors because Girodisc doesn't make rear rotor rings for the C7 Grand Sport. Wish they did. I'd be a purchaser. All right, thanks. Little side-by-side comparison of the Girodiscs compared to my OEM Brembo rotors. Orange tag because they are a directional rotor. So keep in mind, that's important. And here are my Girodiscs installed with my Carbotech X 1521s for the daily use. And when I go to track, I'll be switching over to XP10s. Looking good, ready to go.